Yes, Ms. Sitaraman.
The Mr. Mittal, who's elaborating laboriously on this, supplementary charge sheet and that it can be brought in. I want to ask of him, why no supplementary charge sheets are coming on Satish Sharma, Sajjan Kumar, or even on Jagdish Titler? So why are these kind of a supplementary charge sheets dumped forever? But where there is a very clear case. No, wait a minute. You can't labor on an argument and then tell a supplementary charge sheet when the evidence is based on the diary is coming in.
Is something...
Tell us why. Mr. Mittal, if you're raising a legal point which is also to be answered on those cases in which Congress's leaders are not ever appearing. So please don't labor on this point so much. It's a clear-cut case of political vendetta. And this today, a whole argument of, trying to form a GOM on CBI.
This is not fair. You are not giving an opportunity.
It is a eyewash.
Well,
it's a total eyewash because during the Lokpal debate,
I'd like to ask you, Nirmala Sitharaman, no, 1 minute. Nirmala Sitharaman, let me ask you something. Nirmala Sitharaman.
You're putting words into my mouth and you're not even allowing me to finish.
Nirmala Sitharaman, the only question I have for you, and I then go to Shakti Singh Goyal, is, I understand that you're all worked up about Kataria.
You may have only one question, but you are all words into my mouth.
Nobody's putting words in your mouth.
If you want to have the debate done like this, go ahead.
No, Ms. Sitharaman, I have a question for you.
You're not allowing me to complete my point.
I have a question for you.
You may have any number of questions, and I'm willing to answer, but you won't permit me to answer is my grief.
I will ask you one question, then you can answer, then I'll go to Shakti Singh Goyal. My question to you is very simple. Please tell me, I understand your anger at the CBI today. Where was this anger, Nirmala Sitharaman, of the BJP? When in the Harin Pandya case, the CBI went along with the Modi government's contention that Pandya was murdered to avenge the 2002 riots. Why did you go with the CBI contention then? Why did nobody from the Gujarat government or the BJP question what the CBI said in the Harin Pandya case? Please tell me directly. And why did you not take such a cynical position in the Harin Pandya case? Because it suited you politically? Ms. Sitharaman.
The CBI has...
Yes. Yes, please go ahead.
Giving me the time to answer this
please go ahead,
question,
please go ahead.
Or the several that you've presumed my answers for?
No, I'm asking you a question.
You've asked me several questions, and much before I gave my reply, you've also presumed my replies.
No.
So, please permit me to answer. The CBI has never been misused by the BJP. And this, I'm not stating because I'm in the BJP. You may ask many of the professionals who have been in the CBI. The CBI's misuse is peaking with the Congress. And I will insist on saying this, that this eyewash of a GOM that has been formed today is not going to get anywhere in making the CBI independent. The Lokpal debate time, very clearly, we gave a formula about 13 to 14 points. Both the leaders of opposition had very clearly stated as to how the BJP would want this to be forwarded so that the CBI can become independent.
Shakti Singh Goyal.
Therefore, I think it is important that the Congress party and the government explain as to why.
Hello? Yes, I understand your point. Shakti Singh Goyal wanted to respond.
It is for the Congress and the government to tell us why during the Lokpal debate, having gone that far, they have not progressed further to make the CBI independent.
Shakti Singh Goyal.
No point in telling us
you didn't ask that question when the CBI went along with your position on Harin Pandya. You avoided my question on Harin Pandya. You didn't answer a word on Harin Pandya, Nirmala Sitharaman.
I have not.
When I pointed out,
I will still say No, you're not permitting me, Arnab. You may presume that we went with the CBI. We've gone through with the independence of the CBI.
Yes.
We have not interfered in A case, nor have we interfered in B case.
Shakti Singh Goyal wanted to respond. Your turn, Mr. Goyal.
Arnav, I have heard Ms. Sitharaman for 18 minutes with great patience. Now at least 3 minutes without interruption may be given to me. Now the fact of the case is that in Gujarat, more than 36 small time criminals were killed by a police in fake encounter, and each and every after encounter there was a press conference, by the senior IPS officer, and in the press conference IPS officers have told at relevant time कि हमें इनपुट्स था IB का, नरेंद्र मोदी को मारने के लिए कोई आ रहा है, हमने वॉच रखी थी, मुठभेड़ में मारा गया, उसकी जेब से एक चीट निकला है जिसमें लिखा था मैं मोदी को मारने आ रहा था, एंड ही हैड दी टेररिस्ट कनेक्शन, और उसके पास से एक कंट्री मेड पिस्तल देशी तमंचा मिला है. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस फेक एनकाउंटर्स the sympathy wave pro Modi was the beneficiary. Before the Supreme Court, when matter came up, Gujarat government has investigated, arrested IPS officers, filed an affidavit saying that all were fake encounters for name and fame. ये पुलिस ऑफिसर कर रहे थे, we will take actions. Supreme Court didn't believe
why is the one second, Shakti Singh Goyal, why is the CBI saying in the case of Amit Shah? One second, Shakti Singh Goyal, take a counter question. Why in the case of Amit Shah?
1 minute, Arnav.
Why in the case of...
This is not fair.
One counter question to you.
was talking about the different subject. Let me...
But take my question.
On your panel, no one knows the fact.
No, let me give you ask you a question.
Give me 1 minute just, Arnav, and I will reply your question.
No, answer one question. Counter question from me to you. Tell me, why in the Amit Shah case?
Please.
Why in the Amit Shah case does the CBI write to the director that we must examine this for its potential vis-a-vis the Chief Minister? Just answer that one question.
So what is wrong?
What is wrong?
What is wrong?
Does this not amount to an attempt to fix Narendra Modi?
Look, whoever is, I am not saying put Narendra Modi behind bars. I just saying that free and fair investigation is necessary.
No.
This investigation is going on under the observation of the Supreme Court. If someone feels
one minute.
There is something wrong,
One minute.
then
One
they should
second.
go before the Supreme Court.
No.
Look
Shakti
at the
Singh
double
Gohel,
standard of
Shakti
BJP.
Singh Gohel,
Mr. CBI should investigate.
Mr. Gohel, while filing a case against Singla, does the same CBI say we should look at Singla's case for its potential to fix or for its potential vis-a-vis Bansal? Or in looking at Bansal's case, will the CBI say we should look at this case for its potential vis-a-vis the Prime Minister? Then why in the case of Amit Shah does the same CBI say that we should look at this case for its potential vis-a-vis the Chief Minister? Just answer that one question, please.
Yes, Arnav, CBI took enough time to investigate, and if you look at the charge sheet, CBI has done a great job. Because there was also a observation. There was from the Supreme Court observation. Report, status report was filed before the Supreme Court. And in Amit Shah's case also, no 482 was filed. If you are innocent,
my question.
There is a criminal procedure code.
You didn't answer my question. Nirmala wants to count. Nirmala Sitharaman wants to counter 1.5 minutes on the debate. I need to go to DR Karthik and Nirmala Sitharaman. Quick rebut. Yes, please.
So
Arnav, just nation wants to know
who is. Arnav, nation wants to know who is pursuing BJP leadership to come out and to defend one accused.
And also let me ask Mr. Gohel, in Maharashtra, more than 300 encounters have happened over some number of years in the name of cleansing all the underworld dons. On that, Mr. Gohel, what would you want to say? Have there been any kind of a CBI investigation?
Yes, I will reply, Arnav. Give me time, I will reply to her.
You will reply each time, but you will not
reply to her,
telling me that you will reply. Tell me about the way in which CBI is defending Mr. Bansal. How do you justify? And are you trying to suggest that if there is actually a threat on the life of the Chief Minister, because
okay, reply, Mr. Gohel.
Going to protest,
yes, now it's Congress turn to reply.
Protection aspect.
Arnav, I will reply to Sitharaman's question. Give me an opportunity.
You have one, quickly, sir.
Here the Sitharaman is saying that in other state there were fake encounters. Why about only Gujarat? We never demanded. Congress has not given this investigation to CBI. Your Modi government, when thought that there is some problem, before the Supreme Court, this Modi government filed an affidavit. Initially, investigation was carried out by this state government. They have said these are the fake encounters for name and fame. Our police officers were doing wrong. The Supreme Court didn't believe this, that only for name and fame
No, no,
these
no.
fake encounters are there, and that is why Supreme
So why
Court
was
has
the
given
CBI
this
waiting? No, no,
investigation
no, no,
to
no, no,
CBI.
no, no, no.
Doesn't work, sir.
This is the order of the Supreme Court. What? No, I have the copy of the order of the Supreme Court.
Why did you
You
wake
may
up
have
And
after
the
6
Supreme
copy
years?
of
Court has
order.
said that
Why did you wake
larger
up after 6 years?
conspiracy has to be investigated.
So why did you wake up after 6 years? The charge sheet comes after 6
sir,
years.
no, no.
Why did you wake up after
Arnav,
6 years?
Please let me ask one question of Mr. Gohil.
I am running short of time, Nirmala Sitharaman. Very briefly, I want to close
Just
with Mr.
one question
Karthikeyan.
of Mr. Gohil for him to answer because he's so keen on
1 minute,
answering
quickly,
questions.
please, without wasting any more time. Yes, please.
The Supreme Court has said about Ashwini Kumar. The Supreme Court has said about CBI, trying to do favors to the government. Why Shakti Singh Gohil doesn't want to obey those orders of the Supreme Court?
Point taken.
Can
Point
you be
taken. It's a
selective?
rhetorical question.
And are you suggesting
It's a rhetorical question.
that the Chief Minister
Arnav, I
of
will
your
reply.
state
It's
I
a
will reply
rhetorical
to her.
question. We
be
can let
risk-
that pass.
Be at risk.
It's a
and you do
rhetorical
not
question.
I will
want
reply
be
to her, Arnav.
Protecting the Chief Minister. It's a shame
Arnav,
that you do not want
it's
to
a
care about the
rhetorical-
life and
She has a
security of the
question, I have
people.
an answer.
Well, let's find that answer in
She
10
has a
seconds.
question,
and
I have an
I'll
answer.
answer.
Give me an
10 seconds.
opportunity.
You better
10
have
seconds
an
to
answer.
answer.
I have an answer now. She has a question.
And I'm waiting, and the time is 10 seconds to answer, sir, quickly.
Ms. Sitaraman, your own government was there, NDA government, when Supreme Court has said that autonomy to
asking
CBI
about-
Okay,
has
okay,
been
no,
given
one second.
in
This is
1999.
not being going to be
was
settled here.
silent.
To my question to Mr. Karthikeyan. One second, gentlemen. My question to Mr. Karthikeyan.
Don't
Mr.
divert,
Karthikeyan,
Mr. Gohil.
Mr. Karthikeyan, on a
Don't
broader
divert.
perspective tonight. No, one
So
second.
1999 to 2004,
Mr.
your
Karthik-
people were in power. Who was
Okay.
stopping them?
Divert.
Okay,
Haren
okay.
Pandya was killed.
Okay,
At that
can I
time,
just
Advani,
request
what has
tempers to
said
cool for
about
2
the
minutes?
CBI?
Tempers to cool. Mr. Karthikeyan,
No,
on a
no
broad
tempers,
perspective,
Arnav.
1 minute. Nirmala Sitharaman, please allow the floor to
will
Mr.
share
Karthikeyan. My
what I
question is to
object
Mr. Karthikeyan. Mr. Karthikeyan, on a broader perspective, today, do you think it is fair for the people of this country to actually come forward and ask, where is the consistency in what the CBI is doing? CBI wakes up sometime. CBI goes to sleep sometime on a case. Sometimes CBI picks up a case. Sometimes CBI says we'll go after Bansal. Sometimes CBI says we've decided not to. It's all too arbitrary. We talk about independence for the CBI. But what about the, you give independence to a organization that has a sense of accountability to the people.
No, independence with direct accountability.
To whom? What if tomorrow a
Accountability.
completely
You know,
independent
that-
CBI director goes after whom he
nobody
wants,
says-
does what he
Nobody
wants?
says that. Nobody wants it. You can't give. Even the Supreme Court, no single judge. There are always 2 judges, 3 judges, 5 judges. Even at the highest level, 1 judge doesn't, so one can't give it to all authority to one man, director CBI. That is a whole reform is right from the way, the method of appointment and accountability, who will be supervisory, that's a different subject you need long time.
I agree with you.
Okay. But only thing is this country deserves a better, credible, premier investigative agency. If it can happen in America, nobody questions that. Okay, many other countries, why can't it happen here? It will
Good
happen
point.
here. Supreme Court has made the observation. The very fact the government have appointed a group of ministers of eminent, senior lawyers and all that shows the government agrees. Yes, there is something to be done.
Yeah.
I am sure it's a separate debate, what else
Absolutely.
can be done and all that.
TSR Subramaniam.
Certainly.
TSR Subramaniam, is all this confusion happening principally because the CBI is under the thumb of the government, that the CBI director always has to look over his shoulder and see who is making happy, who is displeasing?
Arnab, by and large, it is absolutely true, except in rare exceptions, it is absolutely correct. And the danger is, as you pointed out now, we should not go from the frying pan to the fire.
Yeah.
It is abundantly clear government's umbilical cord should be cut. But on the other hand, we need proper checks and balances. Otherwise, it will be a loose cannon. It's too powerful an agency to be left on its own. It has to have proper control mechanism to ensure that proper independent mechanism. And that's another subject. We hope that the GOM is not an eyewash. We do hope it must go outside government control.
Yes,
but if a good Lokpal was there,
Yes,
that will be a good,
yes, but
good
the
solution. Otherwise, an excellent committee of management is required.
Yeah,
CBI
but-
cannot be given full independence.
Absolutely. The CBI director must answer the nation on whether his comments of late have exceeded his own brief. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.